Hello guys, and this is your 23rd tutorial. And just to mention a few things, I just shifted from my desktop to my laptop. So I'm recording this tutorial with my laptop's microphone. So my voice could be somewhat strange. Don't blame me for that because my microphone isn't working with this laptop. I think there's some problem with it. I'll fix it later on, but all right. So just bear with me. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna this tutorial is gonna be a short one because I just have to teach you two things: the continue statement and the break statement. All right. So remember in the last tutorial I used a break statement in switch case, and I didn't taught you this one. So you all may be wondering what is this. So I'm just gonna tell you in this tutorial. Now break statement is just used to break out of a loop or out of the parentheses it is inside, and the continuous statement is used to go at the beginning of the loop. Now what all those mean, I'll just tell you with only one for loop. Right, so just let me declare the variable I here. 0 I less than n, sorry, not n, I should be less than 10, and I plus plus. Alright, so now whenever you use a break or a continuous statement, you just use them to control the execution flow of your program, because they allow you to mess with loops and other if statements, so that you could control your program how it gets executed. So let me just type out the value of I here, say out yeah, and just end the time so it looks much more clear. And now just put a if statement that if I is greater than 9, sorry, not 9, 6, and I is less than 6. Sorry, what am I doing right now? I'm out of my mind right now. I guess I is less than 9. Let's make it 8. Then execute a continue statement, and if I is greater than 9, execute break, not brick, break. Alright, and this program is complete, right guys? Let's implement this, and here it is. Okay, in here we executed a condition, that is if I is greater than 6 and I is less than 8. So it implies only on 7, alright, because 7 is greater than 6 and 7 is less than 8. So it printed out the value of 1 2 3 4 5 6, because these both conditions don't apply till 6. So it just printed out the value and skipped these two statements. Now after 6, at 7, it told this loop to continue. Now what continue does is, when it came to the value 7, that is 7 greater than 6, yes. Is 7 less than 8, yes. So just execute continue. Now what continue does is, leaving all the other statements after continue, it just goes to the beginning of loop. So it came here, right? So I told you the execution flow of a loop. So it just came here, increase the value of I by 1, and just again the loop starts repeating, right? So it repeats for 8. This condition is false for 8, and it went here, it printed out 8. Same way it printed out 9, but at 10th time, is 10 greater than 9? Yes, it is. So just execute a break statement. Now what a break statement does is, it breaks out of the loop no matter how many statements are after it, or no matter what, if the condition is still true or false, or the loop has still to iterate or not. It doesn't care about anything. Okay, it just breaks out of the loop the moment you compile it. It just breaks out of the loop the moment it encounters this break statement. All right, so I think that was pretty self-explanatory. Just the continue goes to the beginning of loop and break goes to the end, I mean outside the loop. All right, so just practice it with 2-3 different things, and I think you'll get good at it. And okay, so I think this is it for this tutorial, guys, and in the next tutorial I'm going to teach you about classes, I think, or I'll decide it later. But for right now, this is all you get, right? So this is it for this tutorial. See you guys in next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.